One of the best ways to ensure we remain healthy is by implementing a consistent and heart-healthy exercise plan. When it comes to in-home workouts, there are few better ways to conduct low-impact cardio than through ellipticals. Many products are available to choose from Elliptical for seniors, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best elliptical for seniors from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best elliptical for seniors. Number 1. Cubii JR1 Under Desk Elliptical Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. The Cubii seated under desk elliptical machine is compactly designed to ensure both quality and comfort. It is easy to carry along. The elliptical machine offers 8 levels of resistance that can be adjusted as per your comfort and desirability, with a low impact on the joints. The product is convenient to assemble and disassemble in less than 10 minutes. It also comes with an inbuilt digital monitor that tracks the calories burnt, RPM, strides, and distance. It tones your abs and the core, hip flexors and glutes, quads, hamstring, and calves. Its gliding motions are smooth and quiet. Watch this video for a detailed review of the Cubii seated under desk elliptical machine. Number 2. Stamina Inmotion E1000 Compact Strider. The Stamina Inmotion elliptical is a simple and compact stepper machine that can be used both on standings and sitting down. If you're looking for a lightweight at-home workout such as emulating going for a walk, this could be a great choice. The elliptical features both a forward and reverse stride motion, so you can incorporate different workout motions. The machine has a small LCD that shuffles through displaying total strides per minute, exercise time, and calories burned. It's compatible with the Muse smart device app that provides guided coaching, exercise videos, personalized workouts, and more. Since it has very few moving parts and features magnetic resistance, it's very quiet. This means you can use it at any time of the day without worrying about bothering people around you. Number 3. Schwinn Compact Elliptical Machine. Schwinn Fitness combines the best of German engineering and American design. Their first home exercise equipment was released in 1965, and they've been staples in the fitness industry since. The Model 430 elliptical machine has the excellent build quality, and packs plenty and useful features not found on similar machines at the same price point. The twin resistance levels offer a wide variety of difficulty settings for everyone, from beginners or experienced senior athletes. It has 22 preset workout programs, 9 profiles, 8 heart rate control, 2 fitness tests, 1 quick start. The large cushion foot pedals are some of the softest I've tried and will make your low-impact workout all the more comfortable. This mechanical display is intuitive and easy to use, making it ideal for beginners. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Elliptical Exercise Machine Trainer. One of the most affordable full-size ellipticals on the market, the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Elliptical Trainer, SFE 905, offers users a compact lightweight machine, only 68 pounds, with 8 resistance levels, and the option to design custom workouts to meet unique needs and fitness level. Large anti-slip foot pedals, which provide added stability and safety, offer older adults extra confidence about their well-being, while using the Sunny SFE 905. Its front and rear stabilizers are another source of stability and support, and are effective on any ground surface. Take advantage of 24 unique workout modes, including manual, pre-program, watt, body fat, heart rate, and user programs. Number 5. DeskCycle Ellipse Under Desk Elliptical Machine. The DeskCycle Ellipse Under Desk Elliptical Machine helps you boost your energy, burn calories, and increase productivity through its. The DeskCycle Ellipse Under Desk Elliptical Machine helps you boost your energy, burn calories, and increase productivity through its extra smooth magnetic resistance, superior flywheel, and sturdy base. Use the LCD display to track activities. You can select from the 8 different resistance levels, from beginner-friendly speed to professional-level speed. This seated elliptical machine is ideal for seniors, physical therapy patients, or anyone who is willing to be more active. It is extremely durable and is engineered for smooth maintenance-free movement. Extra long and wide pedals allow you to adjust the shape of your elliptical motion by where you place your feet. Place them on top of the pedal to maximize up-down movement, or towards the bottom for more horizontal strides. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.